Hi there. This video is going to show you how to set up capture in the POV kit to mount a GoPro and a point and shoot camera. Let's take a look at the parts. This is the adapter plate which locks into the capture clip. This is the J-arm for mounting a GoPro, the point and shoot plate for mounting cameras with standard tripod threads like point and shoots or some brands of action camera, the connection screw, the stabilizer pad, 2 long clamping bolts for capture, a hex wrench, and a microfiber carrying pouch. You will also need a capture camera clip. POV kit works with any version of capture. I'm going to show you the 3 most common ways to use capture and the POV kit. Mounting a GoPro camera on a strap, mounting a point and shoot camera on a strap, and carrying a point and shoot camera flat against your body. To mount a GoPro on a strap, use the following parts: adapter plate, J-arm, connection screw, stabilizer pad, and long clamping bolts. Attach the J-arm to the adapter plate using the connection screw and set it aside. Next, replace capture's standard clamping bolts with the long bolts. Swivel capture open, place the stabilizer pad against the back plate, slip the back plate and pad behind your backpack strap, and swivel capture shut. Tighten down the bolts in an alternating fashion until the unit is completely secure. Next, grab your J-arm and adapter plate assembly. Attach your GoPro using the connection screw that came with the GoPro unit. Now, slide the adapter plate into capture until it clicks into place. Tighten down the plate lock on capture to stabilize your GoPro. You can articulate the camera to any desired angle by loosening and tightening the screws. Depending on your setup, you may have to mount your GoPro upside down on the J-arm. GoPros are designed to shoot like this. You can even adjust the capture mode on your GoPro so that you don't have to rotate the videos when you download them to your computer. To mount a point and shoot camera, first switch the J-arm out for the point and shoot plate. Attach the point and shoot plate to the adapter plate using the connection screw. Now, grab your camera. Screw the plate into the tripod hole on the bottom of your point and shoot camera using the wrench to tighten. Now, slide the adapter plate into capture until it clicks into place. Tighten down the plate lock on capture to stabilize your camera. You can articulate the camera up and down by loosening and tightening the connection screw, or left and right by loosening and tightening the camera on the plate. POV kit and capture also let you carry a slim body camera flat against your body, which is safer and more low profile. We've had a lot of fun shooting video with this new product, and we hope that you do too. A couple of keys to remember though. Stability is key. Use the stabilizer pad and make sure that the plate lock on capture is clamped down securely. This will prevent your footage from looking jiggly. Another thing is that make sure you're mindful of your field of view. If you're going to be leaning over on a bike, make sure that your camera leans accordingly and make sure everything is straight. It's just going to produce a much better picture. So get out there, have some fun with this product, and come back to our Facebook page or our blog and share what you capture. We really can't wait to see it. Thanks so much for supporting our company.